Hi, I'm Ina Gaston from Hacienda Crafts. We're here at the Hacienda at Manapla, Negros Occidental. I'm a designer. I work with natural materials. Here at the Hacienda, we are a community-based manufacturer. We're so pleased to be here with Cebu Design Week and to tell you what we've been doing during lockdown. One of the first questions was, what are you doing to stay creative? Well, in the beginning, the first thing was to think of safety of the people who live here in the hacienda. We live away from the city. We're in the municipality. We wanted to help everyone prepare or to keep safe. We started to make masks, took all of the materials that we had and we could repurpose to do masks for our workers, people who live here and their families. So we did that as a family project. When we realized the borders were going to be closed in the different municipalities leading to the city, one of the first things we did was start a vegetable garden. We figured we better plant our own, not only for ourselves, but for the other people who live here, for the different families who live here. And actually, at the end of the day, it's really the better thing to do. One of our friends and family started a sketching group. So every day she had a theme and we would all sketch according to that theme. It gave us a little way to be connected even if we were far apart and actually rekindle all the love for drawing again, something I haven't done in a long time. One thing I've always wanted to do and finally had the time to do was start basket making. This is something I wanted to learn and never had the chance to do it myself. With all the natural materials that we have around us here in the hacienda, it was our time to experiment. So I've had a great time using all the retazos and all the extra string we had from Christmas ribbons to just cut off threads and fabrics that have what we have laying around. We've started to do some baskets and who knows, they may become products in the near future. During lockdown, it wasn't only that we couldn't go out, we were also restricted from how far we could go. And so once our ECQ, GCQ, MECQ, MGCQ is lifted, the first thing we're going to do is actually go to a bigger grocery and find things that we haven't been able to get in the municipal grocery that we have here. What did we panic buy? We didn't really, we just had to go stock up on basic necessities here for the house and for the farm. What has this quarantine taught us? It's really taught us to be grateful of the time that we have with each other and also not to take things for granted. What is the one thing we can't live without during quarantine? Actually, it's our Wi-Fi connection. It's our lifeline to make sure our family and friends are safe and also to learn. We do our meetings there, we do our family calls there, we do our learning there, and now it seems we have to put our business there. So it's something we really need in the future.